In the last class, we studied about ionization energy and successive ionization energies. Now, in this class, we are going to discuss about periodic trends in ionization energy.
Children, we know that the modern periodic table is a tabular arrangement of elements in rows and columns, which highlights the regular repetition of properties of the elements. Ionization energy is one of the property we are going to read in detail. It's also known as ionization enthalpy, and it is denoted as IE. We have seen magnesium as an example. With that previous knowledge, shall we coin the definition for ionization enthalpy? Yes, good. Ionization energy is the minimum amount of energy which is required to remove the most loosely bound electron from the valence shell or outermost shell of an isolated neutral gaseous atom to form a cation. Children, now we are going to discuss periodic trends in ionization enthalpy, that is down the group and along the period. For that, first group and second period elements are taken as examples. First group elements, atomic size and their atomic structures from lithium are given here. With that, shall we guess about their trends in ionization energy? Yes, children, correctly guessed. Down the group, atomic size increases, atomic radius also increases. The electrons are getting added in the new shells, K, L, M, N, like that. So, the distance between nucleus and electron increases. Hence, nuclear charge decreases. This leads to decrease in ionization energy as we move down the group.
To explain the periodic trends in ionization energy along the period, second period elements are taken as an example.
Neon is a noble gas. So, we are going to consider periodic trends from lithium to fluorine.
As we move from left to right along the period, atomic number increases, but atomic size decreases. Can you guess? Atomic size decreases because the valence electrons are added to the same shell. At the same time, protons are added to the nucleus. This successive increase of nuclear charge increase the attractive force on the valence electron, and more energy is needed to remove the valence electron. This results in high ionization energy.
Children, we nicely discussed about ionization energy and periodic trends in ionization energy. With this knowledge, will you answer this? Ionization energy decreases down a group. Ionization energy increases along the period.
From this pictorial representation, we can understand atomic and ionic radius increases down the group and decreases along the period. As we studied earlier, this leads to increase in ionization energy along the period and decreases down the group. Children, I hope you clearly understand about ionization energy. In next class, we are going to study another periodic property. Thank you, children.